Good afternoon, I'm CR with E.C.D Automotive Design, and I'm the drivetrain lead. Today we'll be discussing the LS3 that we put into all of our Defenders. The LS3 is Chevrolet's Gen 4 small block V8. It is 6.2 liters or 376 cubic inches. Runs a cast aluminum block with 6-bolt cross-drilled main caps. Before the engine arrives at our facility, we will get the frames and remove the original motor mounts and install our custom sourced motor mounts for our trucks. We'll Raptor line the frames. We install stainless steel brake lines, braided stainless steel fuel lines, and all of our air suspension prior to installing the engine in the frame. In our standard LS swaps, we will use a standard fuel tank out of the Land Rover Defender. However, the fuel pump is much too small. So we will modify the fuel pumps, install a larger Walbro fuel pump, remove the slip fitting, and install a crimp fitting to allow the use of braided stainless steel fuel lines and supply the correct amount of fuel pressure to the engine. After installing the upgraded fuel pump, we will install a Corvette style fuel filter with a built-in pressure regulator. Again, all braided stainless steel lines and AN fittings for a leak-free life. Our engines arrive at our facility in this configuration in a crate motor. They come factory with all accessories installed, a custom wiring harness built to our specifications, and automatic transmission or manual if the customer requests it. There are a number of suppliers of engines out there in the market. We have chosen to go with Chevrolet for their warranty and impressive track record on reliability. After the engine arrives at our facility in its crate, we will open it up and install the engine and transmission together, torquing down all the bolts as we go. After that, we will install a custom adapter plate to allow the use of an original Land Rover style transfer case. Once the engine, transmission, and transfer case are fully assembled, we will install them into the frame. After they've been installed into the frame, we build up a bulkhead with its brake pedal, fuel pedal, steering column, and heater box. We'll then install the bulkhead onto the frame and make all the final connections between the engine and the bulkhead, heater lines, fuel lines, and install the brake lines. We'll then install a custom Ron Davis radiator and radiator hoses. We'll then make the final connections for the engine oil cooler and transmission oil cooler. We install a set of custom-made 5-foot-long power steering lines to provide adequate cooling for the power steering system. During final assembly, the body will be installed, the evaporative emission systems will be routed, and electrics will install all necessary wiring, relays, and battery cables to allow for fire up of the vehicle. Once all electronics have been completed, we return to the vehicle for its first fire up. To ensure longevity of the engine and to prevent any engine damage, the engines are always primed before being fired up using a priming system. After the vehicle's first initial fire up, it is rechecked for oil leaks from the engine, transmission, transfer case, and anywhere else. Then it is ran, taken for a test drive, and brought back for a further inspection for oil leaks or coolant leaks. We currently offer the LS3 in all vehicles we make, including the D90, D110, D130, and Range Rover Classics.